Okay, you guys, it is my favorite time of the month, and it is when I receive my subscription boxes. And this month we have Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm. I was receiving Soul Beauty Club, but I paused that just because I have a lot of skincare right now. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox these. I'm really excited to see what's in here and share them with you. Now, you guys, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. If you like this video, make sure you hit a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what's in my subscription boxes, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, I always start with my glam bag only because there's usually samples, deluxe samples, sometimes a full size. It just depends on what the product is. But I always like starting with my glam bag because it's just a few items. So this is our bag, which is really interesting. It's got the all-seeing eye and snakes on it. It's really pretty color. I like the magenta and like the lilac. But then there's also something right here. So this is the BCBG Essence de Vanille. Ooh, perfume. Okay, BCBG. So BCBG was what, a nightclub in New York? And like back in the day. I had my BCBG shirt. It never got to go, but I didn't, this is supposed to be the same brand. Like this was a music venue, BCBG. Let's see, BCBG fragrances. Okay, so this says it's got top notes of lychee, accord, grapefruit. Mid is green apple, white lily, cashmere rose. And base is vanilla woods, tobacco, and sheer musk. I'm gonna try and smell it. If you haven't been here before, I lost my sense of smell over 1.5 years ago. No, it wasn't COVID. I hit my head while I was on mission, and the doctors think maybe I got a TBI, just messed with my brain, and now we're trying to reprogram my brain and see if I can get my sense of smell back. But I still wear my perfume because I love gourmand scents and I love my perfume. And even though I may not be able to smell it, someone else can smell it, and I want to smell good. I can't tell. I do like vanilla though. I love vanilla. I love pistachio. I've got a couple different scents that just, I remember what they smell like. I know what they should smell like, but that's not what comes across. There's some times where I'm like, ooh, do I have like a sense of smell? Because I'll smell something and I'm like, oh, what is that? And then I see what it is and I'm like, that's not what it should smell like. So it's been an ongoing thing. All right, so we've got a perfume, and then now let's see what's in here. Okay, so this one does have the card with some details on it, so I don't necessarily need my app yet, but usually Boxycharm I need the app. So, and the perfume's considered a deluxe sample. There are 2 full-size products in here. The rest are travel size or deluxe samples. Okay, we have Briogeo Farewell Frizz. I love this. The Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. When I'm doing my hair for work, pulling it back in this lovely bun that I've been wearing for 21 years. You guys, I'll be so excited when I can just wear my hair how I want to, whether it's a French braid or down all the time. June next year, I'm waiting, I'm counting down. But to make sure that my hair is healthy when I do get to wear my hair down on the weekends, I'm always using a leave-in conditioner, maybe a hair oil, some type of treatment. That way on the weekends, my hair is super healthy. When I go and get my hair cut, which I have an appointment next week, and Maddie is like checking out my hair, seeing if we need to like clip off dead ends or whatever. She's like, your hair is so healthy. Because I'm always putting something in my hair when I'm putting it back. That way when it is down, it's healthy and shiny and glowy. Like, I need that. I want my hair to be soft. I always play with my hair when it's down, twiddle my hair. But this is so good. I love Briogeo. So travel size, but this retail or MSRP is $12. So Briogeo will also still sell their travel size. So MSRP is $12. And then also full size of this perfume from BCBG retails for $110 for 3.4 ounces. Okay, all right. I mean, I've got my trip coming up, so I love that for my Ipsys, especially Glam Bag. When I get a travel size, it travels with me. It goes in the carry-on, whatever. We have from Glow Recipe, the Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. I love this cleanser. It is so freaking good. This is a deluxe sample. MSRP of the full-size version is $28 for 150 ml. This one's 20 ml. I can take this one on my trip. I love, love, love having the little, so our trip's about a week. I'll take 2 different little travel size cleansers with me. That way, 1, I don't run out, and 2, I can change it up depending on what's going on with my skin. So this will definitely be traveling with me. Love that from Glow Recipe. We have from Shanna B. This is gel liner in black card, full size. It retails for $20. Okay. I hate when the liners have the plastic wrap on it. I understand why they do it. I do. But I hate it because it's always the worst. If you just twist it, it usually helps and makes it easier to get the plastic off. Easy. So let's see. Ultra creamy gel formula, glides on a smooth. One swipe gives you bold, high impact color that stays put all day. Plus this liner's got range. It's perfect for sharp lines or smoky vibes. Okay. And I always need a black eyeliner. So I know I've got the one from Revant, and then I have a brown shade from Tarte. So I will also add this on. Oh, and it's got the little smudger. That's cute. And it's got a sharpener. Okay, so this end is like multifaceted. I love that. So that's gonna immediately go on the table. Last item we have, ooh, an eyeshadow palette. I love when there's a little eyeshadow palette. This is the Glow Core Mystic Earth eyeshadow palette. This retails for $24. I feel like I have these in my collection. I literally, actually, it's on my desk. I have the Paisley Hoop palette. I'm pretty sure these are like similar colors. Close. Greens, orange, and this palette's been getting a lot of love. I bought this one. It was not sent to me. But also this has kind of the Huda Beauty like mint vibes as well. So I think I'm going to put this in the giveaway drawer for the holiday giveaway. I'm trying to be realistic this year. I'm trying to just, if I don't need it in my collection, if I don't think I'm going to use it, because there's a lot of times that I'll get palettes and I'm like, oh, that's super cute, I'm going to use it. And then I don't use it and it sits in my new makeup drawer, unused, untouched. And at some point I'm like, okay, I either need to give it away or give it, well, it usually gets given away. Very rarely, like 1 or 2 of them have ended up in the collection. But you gotta be realistic, right? Now with the Glam Bag, I do not add up the total only because these are mostly travel deluxe samples, sometimes a full size, but they give me the prices for the full size MSRP. So we're gonna go on to Boxycharm. Okay, you guys, we have Boxycharm. It's a little tiny box, but sometimes the smallest boxes have a lot of stuff in it. Ooh, work your magic. I love that. No details on what's in the box, but I do also have my app, which I already had pulled up. Ooh, I already see a product that I already have in my collection, which means it's gonna go in the giveaway drawer for somebody. Okay, first item, and this one I already have in my collection. I really enjoy these. They're the Drunk Elephant Oh Blues Rosy Drops, the Omega Fatty Acid Fortified Blush. I don't know why I'm opening this. I literally just said I have my own. These are so good. Beautiful, and you can build them up. So if you just want like a no makeup day, but you want a little bit of a flush, these are really good. Let's see. So this was actually my Beauty Boost, which retails for $39. Really love these. These are so good. Beautiful shade. We have from Girlactic 2-in-1 Luminous Tint Foundation. Okay. This retails for $32. What does this say it does? Achieve a gorgeous second skin finish with this buildable luminous foundation featuring squalene, vitamin B3, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. Doesn't give you that your skin but better look. Oh. What? I'm like this. What? This formula doesn't just give you that your skin but better look, it also treats your complexion to a skincare boost each time you apply it. I cannot read it tonight. Also, you guys, it's like 5 o'clock at night, almost 5. I got home and I was like, ooh, like I usually do. I get one box a couple days prior and then the other box shows up and I'm like, ooh, let's unbox and see. All right, so this is what that looks like. It might be the right shade. It looks a little bit more yellow than I normally go for. Mine's in the shade F3 Neutral, so we'll try it out. But when my skin's not super red, I do love a beautiful skin tint. I cannot read, you guys. That was literally kicking my butt trying to read that. We have from Lith. Oh, it's a cute little eyeshadow palette. This retails for $32. It is the Astral eyeshadow palette. Ooh, this is cute. I really want to swatch the shimmers. They're so pretty. but I also feel like I have them in my collection, and then I have these shades in another palette as much as I want to swatch them, because they are like, I don't know if you can see how like shimmery, and this has blue glitter in it. Oh, so beautiful. But this is also going to go in the giveaway drawer. So that's 2 eyeshadow palettes that are going for at least fall. Little mini ones, like these are good to travel with. Okay, we have REM Beauty Essential Drip. Oh, this is one of the lip glosses in Hocus Cocoa. I picked this one. Actually, I think this might have been an add-on. Hold on. Okay, so I picked this one. It's the Essential Drip Glossy Balm in Hocus Cocoa. I love this lip gloss. I bought mine when I was over in Germany. I don't know if you can tell like how much of it I've used. It is so good. I absolutely love this. By itself with nothing under it, with like a red lip liner or a brown lip liner, and then filling it in with some red. This is from, I forgot who, I know I originally saw Kathleen Lights do the lip tutorial, but she saw it on someone else's, and this was the lip gloss on top. And I was like, ooh, okay. But I saw this as one of my choices, and I can't remember what else was the choice, but I was like, I don't like any of those. And I don't know that I need another one of these just yet. I mean, I've got plenty in here so far. Probably used like a fourth of it or a third of it. Really good. Gets lots of use. It is a daily staple, but this will go in the giveaway box or giveaway drawer. We have and actually that retails for $19. It is a really good lip gloss. I do love her lip gloss formulation. All right, now we have the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush in Encourage. I love this. I need to double check. I have the shade Happy, which is really good. And I think this one's more of like a mauve-y, which is why I picked it. Oh yeah, so this is more of a cool tone mauve, whereas the other one's a little bit warmer. And this retails for $25. I'm so excited. I love her blush. Oh no. But it's kind of close to the shade of my sweatshirt. So I will definitely be using this, especially in the fall. Perfect color for the fall. And last item, this is from Lunar Beauty, the Outer Dimension Bronzing and Sculpting Stick. I love Lunar Beauty eyeshadow palettes. I think I've got a highlighter palette. Really enjoy it. I've never picked up the contour bronzing sticks. Mine's in the shade Medium Sky. And Lunar Beauty is a brand owned by Manny MUA on YouTube. This retails for $25. I do like the ombre on this. Very aesthetically pleasing. It looks like it's going to be the right shade. Love that. You guys, that is everything. Let me go ahead, total up Boxycharm, and I will come back with the final total. Okay, you guys, Boxycharm totaled $172. I love that because I don't spend a lot of money on Glam Bag or Boxycharm, but I'm usually getting over $100, $150. Sometimes with Icon Box, it's over $300 or $400 worth of product that either was on my list, something I already have, something I wanted to try. So it just depends on what's going to come out that month. I do like this because I got a variety of skincare with my Glam Bag or even hair care. And then with Boxycharm, I got a lot of makeup products, but some of the things that were sent to me like doubles, I picked. So I got to choose those items, and then other things are brand new to me, like the Lunar Beauty Contour Bronzer and the Skin Tint. So these two I will definitely try out. I'm excited for it. Let me know your thoughts. Do you get Boxycharm or Ipsy Glam Bag? Do you upgrade to the Icon Box, which I think comes out in November this time? For me, I love it because I get to add to my collection without spending $172. But then I also have the opportunity to share some of my favorites with you guys during my holiday giveaways. So put your thoughts in the comments. We'll definitely have that conversation. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to hit a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.